move. Melvin, move. Okay. My heart is palpitating. Now that you've left me once, I fear that you're going to leave me again. The statue thing isn't even remotely scary. I don't understand the damn statue. Wow. You were a coward. Oh, no, he's not. He's there. Oh, look at her. No. I looked at him for a good 10 seconds. Is he gone? Go check on him. Please? Please don't do this. Please don't. You're a ghost. I will save you. I will save you. Oh my god, you're a scab. He's not there, 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 he's not there. My flashlight is flickering. You're a ghost and scared the shit out of me. Oh, but you're scarier than he is. Well, you know what? Technically, I'm not by myself. I still have ghost smell. He's me. He wants my butthole. Can you see where he is? Oh, I don't want to do this anymore. I found your scab body again. Retake your body and just don't. Why are you so mean to me? Don't be this way. I'm walking. I have no freaking clue. I am scared shitless, Melvin. I don't think I'm in a station. Yes. Alright. I don't know, maybe. I'm near your dead body. Oh god, it's Ghost Melvin. You know you're still holding a flashlight? Actually, it's a ghost flashlight.
The ghost light.
Which way? This way?
I had to abandon the game.
Pride. I think that was the opposite of pride, yeah.
I don't have any pride.
Bitch, I'm doing this by myself.
He was evil, and he shook the controller. He was like, I'm going to kill you.
I have testicles, unlike you. Please tell me you're fine.
Wait, Doctor, did you die? Oh, okay.
He's a douche.
Ah, makes sense.
I don't want to do this anymore. Please take me away. Melvin, what's the gun button? What's the suicide button? Do I get a cyanide?
No one's on our team has
Melvin,
died
if I
yet.
see him again, I swear to God, I'm throwing the controller. We've already been in this room.
I turned off my Xbox. Where are they? How can you hide a freaking...
That's the freaking totem pole of doom.
You know how you hide a tank? Ooh, there's an enemy.
I'm gonna stare at the totem pole. I think I did well.
Actually lasted 0
Reams.
minutes.
How does it know? There was a lot more than that game. It actually like tracks your progress. What is this? I'm guessing we got lost a lot. Why is some red and some black? Intertwines a lot.